What is up, guys? My name is Adam and today we're gonna unbox the Motorola Moto G7 Plus. Let's have a look at what this phone has to offer. As you can see, the specifications are actually really good for a phone at this price point. It comes in a nice looking green package, and on the back side, as usual for the Motorola phones, we see some of the specifications of the phone. When we open up the package, we are directly met by the phone, which has a plastic foil on top of it with also some of the specifications. And we see that the phone has a transparent case around it. So yeah, really nice that Motorola includes a free case. The phone feels really good in the hand, and I really like that they have made the camera bump much less obvious than in the previous phones. So that's nice. Next we have the instruction manual. The pin for opening the SIM card slot. And a security manual. Underneath the manual we find the charger, and the USB cable. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing of Motorola Moto G7 Plus. And I will now try out this phone as much as I can the following weeks, which I'm really excited for. So if you have any question regarding this phone, just leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.